You know, I used to see these all the time in the yards, man. All the time. Not that much anymore. 79 Chevy Malibu. So got some good parts on her, man. Yeah, she's a 4-door. Yeah. It'd be something if it was a 2-door. But check out that front end. Looks pretty straight. It's cracked. Broken there. That bezel. That grill's got some cracks in it. Bumper looks straight though. Let me take a quick. That hood looks all right. Just took a hit here. The forklift looks like. Looks like she took a hit there. Looks bent. Looks pushed in. Deck lid. I think I see some dents. Probably hail damage. Did she have a full set of these wheels? What we got here? Got aluminum drums. Yeah, man. That's a cool old man right there, boy. Just met him. Old Fred there. He's got a bunch of cars. We'll check him out. He just took the springs. He said he needed the springs for... He's got a Skylark. Man, I wish I could... In this trunk, saw some keys. But I don't think any of these keys are Ford. They were in the... No, these won't work. Still got both of the emblems on there, right? Yeah. Let's take a look inside. Damn. Does she have the... No. This doesn't belong there. Wait. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. But no build sheet. It might be either under there. Yeah. Let me set my water down there. I like the vent windows back here in the back, man. I mean, I don't know if I can... What's in here? Let me see if I can turn my light on. Can I? Okay, we see the transmissions back here. There's an... That's all I can see. Yeah, I can't see much else. Let's stick my hand in there. Oh, you see anything right there? I can't see anything else. Unfortunately. Oh, yeah, I could see she had an electric, or lock. You can open it from up front. Let me take this. But yeah. Headliners. Seen some better days. Let's go to the front. 06 of 79. Like I said, man, you see these all the time in the yards. All the time. not so much anymore. Just a bench seat car. Well, being a four-door, obviously going to be bench seat. I messed that up. That bezel we got here. Nothing else in the glove compartment. At least no papers that no original paperwork with it. Mileage. You see that mileage? I don't think you can. Crap. It's hard to see it. Huh. Alright. Enough with that. But the dash is cracked, as you can see. Yep. It's got the sweep gauge cluster here. She's not tilt. That's messed up there. So that's pretty much it, man. Let's take a look underneath and we'll look under the hood. Stand it up there. I want to say this would not have been a poly. Not too many of them came with the four doors. They came with the posys that I've seen. I think I've seen maybe one in the yards. Take a look underneath. Oh man, let's see what the deal was with this one. Oh man, look at that. Damn. That floorboard is messed up. So is it up there? Yeah, these floors are gone. Yeah. Alright. Oh man, I can't even see the VIN. It's so... Yeah, I can't see that VIN. Well, actually, you know what? The VIN will be here. These people had it. It was last registered. When was this? I don't want to show you these people's private information. Give me 1 second to make sure this is the car. Yeah, it's a 79 Malibu. The VIN is 1W19559R 486772. Yeah. And it was registered, I mean, it was effective on 2012, man. So this car, I had it in 2012. It had insurance on it. And under the hood, what do we got? The almighty, what's that, 4.4 liter. Yeah, 267. And just to be sure, we're looking at, where's it at? Oh, can't see it. No, don't say it. Can't see it down here. Thought I could. Oh yeah, I can see it. It says 1979. Yep. My bad, guys. My bad. But it's there. I saw it. Anyways. She's pretty much all there. Yeah. Pretty much. Pretty much. Alright. Like I said, this hood, man, the hinges are good. That looks good. Yeah. Somebody need that hood. I don't think she's dented, just surface rust. Yeah. And this windshield, man, this windshield looks to be in good shape too. All the glass, I think, is in good shape on this car. Make sure I didn't see a chip or anything. No. We got a good original. Pretty sure it's an original windshield. Yeah. How's that top? Yeah. No hail damage I can see on the top. I think they swapped the front end of this car out though. Maybe. Anyways, there it is. There she is. 79. Oh, take a look underneath here. Decent sway bar. Yeah. There it is, man. 79. 4-door Malibu. And everything's, I think, half off today. 4th of July. Alright, man. I'm out.